Milo the monkey dreams of flying like the birds. The jungle animals laugh at him, but Milo doesn't give up. With creativity, kindness, and a little help from a wise owl, he teaches everyone that no dream is too big. A story full of hope, fun, and a beautiful message. Determined to fly, Milo begins crafting his own wings from leaves and vines, inspiring curiosity among the other jungle animals. In a bold attempt, Milo leaps from a branch, flapping his homemade wings, showcasing his courage as the jungle animals watch in awe. With guidance from the wise owl, Milo learns to believe in himself, and the other animals begin to understand the power of dreams. Finally, he takes to the skies, soaring gracefully as the jungle animals cheer him on, celebrating his triumph.